The MRCP Part 2 written exam poses a demanding 4-hour test of clinical decision-making abilities. Success requires an organized, insight-driven approach. Command the exam format and content spread. In the 200-question multi-best answer paper, apply your strong core knowledge across cardiovascular medicine, 20%, respiratory medicine, 20%, abdominal medicine, 15%, endocrinology and metabolic medicine, 10%, neurology, 10%, nephrology, 5%, hematology and transfusion medicine, 5%, infectious diseases and HIV medicine, 5%, rheumatology, 3%, elderly care and geriatric medicine, 3%, genetics, 2%, immunology, 2%. Expect roughly equal numbers of fact recall and data interpretation items. The latter provide investigation findings to analyze. Be fluent in epidemiology, biostatistics principles as well. Hone clinical reasoning skills for complex cases. Build sound decision frameworks including most likely diagnosis and backups based on prevalence and features, key history questions, diagnostic of common presentations, investigations sequenced intelligently to confirm or refute initial hypothesis, lead treatment options given diagnosis, complications, emergencies, anticipation, and appropriate response. Master this clinical deductive approach through question banks. Welcome wrong answer feedback to bolster insight. Discuss with colleagues and attend exam technique seminars. Address weaker knowledge areas. Ongoing practice item analytics will expose therapeutic areas needing reinforcement. Develop personalized study plans accordingly, using supplemental texts. Retest afterwards. This strengthens contextual grasp. For statistics, epidemiology fundamentals, work additional quantitatively oriented questions. Concept relevance often increases when embedded in clinical vignettes. Foster exam endurance and time management. Success requires both content mastery and time optimization. 4 continuous hours of complex decision-making necessitates mental stamina. Practice is essential. Pace yourself timed. Spend 1 minute interpreting the vignette, up to 90 seconds contemplating choices, and 30 seconds reviewing flagged items that prove difficult. Build speed through repetition. Simulate exam settings late in preparation. Ensure nutrition hydration needs to avoid mental fatigue. On exam day, stay centered through anxious moments via calm, measured breathing. Have faith in your capabilities. Post-result reflections and next steps. Allow initial disappointment upon unsatisfactory scores, but avoid despair or self-defeatism. Analyze performance reports when available, and create study schedules targeting areas for improvement. Reflect on time allotments, guessing tendencies, and other test behaviors that need honing. Scrutinize education gaps driving errors. Were key physical exam maneuvers or high-yield diagnostic tests overlooked? Brainstorm better associative mnemonics and frameworks. Prioritize relearning through teaching concepts to colleagues. Have courage that the lessons from setbacks prepare you for future success. Retake determination is commendable. With adjustments made through insight and experience, the MRCP Part 2 exam can absolutely be conquered in time. Have hope and continue the rewarding journey of lifelong medical learning.